Hi there. So I'm doing a quick video of the Avila by WCI. This is the model that's located at Cordoba. So just to give you an idea of what you're looking at, there's two bedrooms at the front. Towards the left, you can see those nice big windows letting in a lot of natural light. You got pendant lighting in the ceiling along with the center light for a ceiling fan. Here's the bathroom. Ceramic tile, two sinks. Here is that other bedroom. So we're walking down a large foyer, and just look at the detail through here. In this area is the entrance to the 3-car garage. But you also have another bedroom with a separate or private bathroom hidden here. Large shower. So another nice size room right here with a reach-in closet. So we're gonna head back out. So we are back heading to the main living space. Here is a formal dining room space. Main living area. And here you have a nice big kitchen counter. And you can put bar stools all around. Sink, glass top, stove top. Got a microwave and oven, built-in refrigerator over there. All of this extra cabinet space and countertop space if you choose to go that route. It's a large area for a dining room table. This table seats 8. Lovely chandelier. This is the pantry. Nice size pantry. Now we're going to head down this way where you will find the master bedroom along with another bonus area. So this is a built-in bar. This is an upgrade. So here's a space right here. It also leads to the laundry. There's 2 ways to get to the laundry, from that area and from the garage. This was the area where we were with our private room. So those 2 parties will have access to the laundry area, and then you can make this a den if you wish. Check out the master. This is huge. I'm not sure if this video actually does this justice, but it's a good size master bedroom. You have a king size bed with the 2 nightstands, and you still have space on either side. Plus, you have room for this right here, and all that walking space here, and still a dresser drawer. This is the hallway that leads to the ensuite. You have a walk-in closet on either side. Let me just poke my head in there so you can see it. Good space. And then here is the master bathroom. And here you go with the water closet. You have a tub. This one does not have the separated sinks that you like, but it does have an amazing shower. So this is a quick look of the Avila. We're gonna go next door and take a look at the Ventura. So I'm just driving through the community so you can see what it's like to be in here. As I said before, the homes sit on half an acre. It's half-acre lots. So nice deep backyard. You have space between your neighbors. And you have plenty of room for a pool. And you can decide how you want to design your pool for you and your family. This is by WCI. We're in Cordoba. Alright, I hope this sneak peek of the community gives you a feel of what it's like to tour and be in this community. Let me know if you have any questions.